Missed Maghrib for a legitimate reason. What are the legitimate reason? He forgot. He was so engaged in work. Maybe he took his father or mother to hospital and Maghrib was called and he said, Khalas, inshallah, as the minute I find a place to pray, I'll pray. And checking with the doctors, receptions, x-rays, he forgot. And he remembered only when the iqamah of Isha was due. Or he overslept. This happens. These are all legitimate reasons, forgetfulness or sleep. So he says, I come to the masjid, I haven't prayed my Maghrib, and they are praying Isha. What should I do? The answer is, it's an issue of dispute. Scholars say that the most authentic opinion is that the order of prayers is important and needed. So it has to be Fajr, Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, and Isha. You cannot skip one over the other or proceed one over the other, except in very rare cases. For example, the sun is about to set and I woke up not praying Fajr, Dhuhr, and Asr. So 3 of them were missed due to sleep. I was in total coma-like sleep. So what should I pray? If I pray Fajr, then Dhuhr, then Asr, the sun would have set and I would have missed Asr from being prayed on time. Scholars say no, if the time is too tight, pray Asr because it is present and it's not qada. And afterwards you pray Fajr and Dhuhr. But in your case now, Isha is there and the Isha time is extended. You can pray after 2-3 hours, no problem. In this case, they say you have to pray Maghrib. How to do that? Join the Imam. Pray the first rak'ah with him, the second rak'ah with him. The third rak'ah, when he stands up for his fourth, you remain seated in the tashahhud position because this is your third and last rak'ah. Either you complete your tashahhud and salat ala nabi and offer salam and stand up to join him in his fourth rak'ah of Isha to be your first in Isha. That would be a win-win. Or you remain sitting down until he finishes his fourth rak'ah. He sits for tashahhud, he offers salam and you offer salam with him. This is your Maghrib. Then you stand up and pray your Isha on your own.
Alhamdulillah, we are happy to announce the launch of the One Islam TV app. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. No more annoying ads or pop-ups. 100% safe browsing for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means the small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.